Drones. The silent revolution in the sky. Right now, somewhere above us, in a place most people never notice, a vehicle with no pilot is quietly moving through the sky. It doesn't roar like an airplane. It doesn't draw attention like a helicopter. But it's there, watching, recording, and without us even realizing it. It's slowly changing everyday life. A drone silhouette appears. This is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or simply a drone. What is a drone? Consumer drone transitions into a military UAV. Most of us think of drones as small flying gadgets, remote-controlled toys with cameras. But that's only the surface. Drones are not toys. They are aircraft capable of doing almost everything a plane can do without a human inside. And their real power isn't flying. It's seeing. Data overlays, cameras, thermal sensors, GPS, artificial intelligence. Drones don't just move through the air. They collect data. And in today's world, data is power. Where did they come from? Drones aren't new. They've been around in different forms for nearly a century. Early versions were used for military training and reconnaissance, not to attack, but to observe. As GPS, satellites, and computers improved, one thing changed everything. Humans stepped out of the cockpit, and remote control took over. How warfare changed in 2001, drones entered combat. In Afghanistan, armed drones like the Predator and Reaper were deployed. Operators sat thousands of miles away, looking at screens, making decisions with real consequences. A short silence. War no longer required physical presence. 2020, Nagorno-Karabakh. In 2020, during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, drones destroyed tanks and air defenses from above. And in 2022, in Ukraine, drones became a symbol of modern warfare. Not just military drones, but commercial ones, modified and weaponized. War became cheaper, faster, and easier to start, which raises a question. If war becomes easier, does choosing it become easier too? Drones in civilian life. Agriculture, disasters, cities. But drones aren't only used for war. In many cases, they save lives. They analyze crops from above. They search for survivors after earthquakes. They monitor traffic, borders, and cities. Around the world, drones quietly became part of daily systems. And soon, they may even deliver our packages. A brief pause, but nothing this powerful comes without a cost. Are we being watched? Camera lens becomes a drone camera. Cameras became smaller. Drones became quieter. Most of the time, we don't hear them. We don't see them, but they're still there. Facial recognition, movement tracking, AI-powered surveillance. Is this security or constant observation? When does a technology become dangerous? When it's powerful or when it becomes invisible? The future enclosing drones, swarms, sunset. The future will be even quieter. Swarms of drones. Machines talking to machines. Decisions made by algorithms. Drones may look like an ordinary technology, but behind them, there is power control and unanswered questions. And that's why this is not just another ordinary thing.